In today's video, we will take out the fog light for 2017 Hyundai Sonata. First, we need to take out the front bumper. Lift up the handbrake. If you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the handbrake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Then we lift up the car because this will help us to make some space and take out the necessary clips and bolts. We then start the takeout process by taking out clips and bolts from the bottom, from right side and then left side, and then finally from the top. So let's jump into this. Underneath the car, I noticed there are some straightforward 10mm screws. You would see one here, one there, one in the middle, and the others followed all the way till the end. And we need to take out these 10mm screws. Now in my case, you would notice I'm using an impact gun with 10mm nut setter, but if you don't have an impact gun, you can just use a 10mm wrench. Once the underneath part is done, now we are jumping on to the sides. I will be turning the tire to make space in order to take out these 3 clips. They do look like a screw, but actually they are screw type clips. Once the clips are taken out, we slightly pull the fender liner, and there you would see a 10mm screw that we need to take out. Once the screw is taken out, now we slightly pull the edge of the bumper. Now unfortunately the other side had an accident, so I would not be able to demonstrate this side. But the steps are exactly the same as of the side we just took out right now. So just replicate the same process on the other side. Assuming both sides are taken out, now we jump onto the top. There we see clips similar to the ones we took out from the sides. And I'll just be taking them out one by one. Once all the clips are taken out, now I would slightly pull the bumper from top to see and check if it's losing its grip, and seems like it's all good to be pulled out. Now we slightly pull the complete bumper. We noticed this car has a fog light, so we had to take out the plug for that, and this process is actually optional depending on the features of the front bumper you're taking out. That was it. We ended up taking out the front bumper completely. Once the front bumper is taken out, now we take out the fog light. Here are the 3 screws that we need to take out, and we will be taking them out one by one using a Phillips screwdriver. Once those 3 screws are taken out, the 4th screw is actually on the top. Need to take that out as well. And there we ended up taking out the fog light. Now we will take out the fog light cover. For that, we have to take out one portion of front bumper shock absorber. It's attached with a metal clip, and I'll be taking it out with a door upholstery remover. The fog light cover also has 3 screws, and we need to take that out with a Phillips screwdriver. Once those 3 screws are taken out, now we need to push the tabs to take out the fog light cover. These are the tabs that are on the edge of the fog light cover, and we need to push them to take out this part. These 2 tabs already came out due to an accident, but we still need to take out the other tabs. The taps are actually attached with the bumper and we need to push them against the fog light cover. That is the only way the fog light cover will come out. And there it is. We ended up taking out the fog light cover as well. That was it. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, we will catch you in the next video.